my Glock, oh. Oh, me blood thing. Can't let that be seen. Black guy.
Black Yoshi, what are you doing?
Man, I'm cleaning my Glock so I can go hunt, folks.
What are you gonna go hunting for? Like a deer or
A
something?
PlayStation 4.
How are you gonna hunt for a PlayStation 4?
I'm gonna take my Glock. I'm gonna go to the Best Buy, and I'm gonna find somebody with a PlayStation 4, and I'm gonna take it. That's hunting, folks. I'm gonna take it.
But that's illegal, and you might go to jail.
Well, I've never been caught by the police before. But and what makes you think it's gonna happen now?
Because the PlayStation 4 is so rare, like everywhere's sold out, and everyone.
Do you and I'm gonna do me, okay, folks?
But everyone's waiting in line. You're just gonna go and steal one?
That's plenty, folks.
Okay.
Go with me?
No, I'm not gonna come with you. If you get arrested, I'm not gonna tell you how to go. Right? So you know what? Go do whatever you want to do.
All right, folks. Go to the Best Buy and steal me a PlayStation 4. PS4, I mean, Toad.
Yeah.
Well, let's do it, buddy. Go ahead, come on in back.
Okay, man. Tell me, the run around Best Buy was like all the way around. It was like crazy. It was like 360. But you know, I just got in the store, got what I wanted. You know, I didn't even have to wait. You feel me? Man, look at this. It's just gorgeous, right?
Yeah, that's pretty gorgeous.
The guy, look, it's like the guy just gave it to me for free. I was like, whoa. You're crazy, son. He's like, yeah. You can have it. And I just got it and looked. And they were just like, still putting it on.
Man, this PS4 looks so dope, man. When are you gonna play it?
I'm not really sure. I don't think I'm gonna even play it.
Are you crazy, fool? Why'd you buy it if you ain't gonna play it, man?
Man, I just thought it looked cool. It had PS4 written on it. Then it had actual PS4. Then
Oh, look at it. Come on.
I mean, you ain't breaking it. I don't want you to have it. You can buy it. You got any cash on you?
Don't fucking me, I ain't got no money. I can show you something. Man, I got these nice new nights right here, folks.
They do look nice.
I can get Mario's head, folks.
What kind of had it done like yesterday? I don't want it.
Oh, come on, you killed me. What, folks? Come on, folks, hurry. Oh, my God. My family regeneration, that was boring. Well, folks, I guess for PlayStation 4, I can let it go, folks. You just gotta get clean, gotta get your oil on. But having a PlayStation 4, though. Alright, go ahead and take yourself off.
Just wait till I use this. Oh, man.
It's empty.
Oh, yeah, I just got it, like.
You know me, folks. You got the PlayStation 4.
No, you got all this on this stuff. I got the box.
Look in there, folks. You see the PlayStation 4?
I see. He gave me the box for free. That's why it was free. Oh, man.
Keep my clock back.
No, it's mine.
Keep my clock back, folks. Keep my clock.
No, give me the box. Oh, man. You can't even trade back. It's mine, please.
Folks,
Just, I have an Xbox if you wanted it.
you got the Xbox, folks?
Yeah, I got the Xbox. What is it, the Xbox One? If you want to be specific.
So you got the whole Xbox, folks.